Since logarithms are inverses of exponentials, exponentials have a horizontal asymptote at y equals 0, so logarithms just flip your x and y. They have a vertical asymptote at x equals 0 to start with, and then your transformations are going to potentially move them. Also, the log base anything of 0 will spit out 1. So one of your parent function points is going to be 0, 1. You could put 0 into the argument of any logarithm, and it's going to spit out the number 1. Also, your other point is dependent on what this base is. So since this is a log base 3, if you do log base 3 of 3, you'll get out 1. So if you put in a 3 to a log base 3, you'll get out 1 on the parent function. The parent function would have just been log base 3 of x. So those are going to be the two parent function points that I start with. I can see that I need to factor right here. Now I can go ahead and do A, B, C, D, and I can list out my transformations. I have an A transformation. I have a horizontal compression of a third. B is right 2 that you see after you factor out the 3. C is reflect over x, and D is up 2. So I'm going to start with the point 0, 1, and I'm going to... I did that backwards. It should be 1, 0. Because if you put a log base of anything of 1, you get out 0. You can't do a log of 0. That's undefined. So you're going to start at 1, 0, and you're going to horizontally compress it. So you go to a third, and then you go right 2. You can't reflect over x, and so you're going to go up 2. Your other point is going to be 3, 1. So you're going to start at 1, 2, 3, 1. You're going to horizontally compress it by a third, so you go back to 1, go right 2, reflect over x, and then go up 2, so it goes right here. Now this vertical asymptote is going to be affected by this B transformation, so it's going to move over 2. So your vertical asymptote is going to be here, and so you can see that this logarithm is going to kind of go like this. The domain is, you can see it's just everything from 2 over to infinity, so you can write it as 2 to infinity. Make sure you have a parenthesis on 2 because it doesn't actually touch 2. Or you can say x is greater than 2, not equal to. It will not ever be equal to that vertical asymptote. The range then is going to be all reals. It's going to go up forever and it's going to go down forever, so the range is going to be all reals.